We are here at the JK Tyre's Future of Workspace Hub at Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, where tradition meets transformation. In a bold move to embrace the digital age, this manufacturing giant has transformed its workspace into a cutting-edge technology center. We are joined by Mr. Aman Singhal and Mr. Sharad Agarwal, who will take us through the inspiration, vision and purpose behind the tech-forward transformation. So I would like to ask you, Sharad, what was the vision behind this office and what kind of feedback have you got so far?
Because we have to work with Gen Z now. For retaining talent, rather even for attracting talent, you need a place which can gel with their work nature, their personal nature. So that was the vision to move to this place, because we come from a manufacturing background. Our offices were big and I would say more like compartmentalized. So we moved to an open office for the concept that we all together can work together. And the feedback has been great. Probably Aman can add more to that.
Aman, since you spend so much of time in the office, how does it feel different from a traditional office space?
Yeah, so I think the beauty of this office is, first of all, it is collaborative. It is completely ridden of any hierarchical kind of notions that typically exist in traditional manufacturing companies. I think that is one of the core points that today the millennials and Gen Zs always look into. The second point is that, as Sharadji was mentioning, that we wanted to work with new age talent, right? And we wanted to compete with companies like Google, Facebook, top tier consulting firms for attracting the similar kind of talent. So if you are attracting that kind of talent, you want those kind of caliber of people to come in. Your office and your environment also has to be a reflection of today. It cannot be stuck in the past. So not saying that the older office don't serve their purpose, but they serve their purpose to a different kind of people and skill set. And for new age digital technologies, we wanted to do this. And the most important other part was that we also wanted to showcase to the world that we are progressive, we are moving ahead. This is our new identity, this is our new changed DNA. That's why the name of the center is also DNA CLO.
Amazing. Aman, one thing I would like to ask to you, and Sharad, you can also add to it. What are the distinctive AI features and digital things that you would like to tap on that are very significant and are very, very unique?
So, in terms of the problem statements that we tend to solve in DNA COE, the problem statements are spread across the value chain, whether we start from procurement till it is finished good and sold to the distributor. If I have to give you a few examples of what we have done in marketing sales, there are use cases which have been helping us do dealer forecasting, predict dealer churn, right? Make our manufacturing better by increasing the cycle time, reducing the cycle time in fact, and increasing the yield of our plants and making the digital twins as a reality of our production system, so that we can monitor and track our plants remotely, not being in the plant as well. Right, so those are the use cases that currently the team is working on. There are many more in terms of newer technologies like large language models, wherein we are building now AI chat agents of the future, AI voice agents of the future for delivering 24/7 customer care to our dealers, customers, and even internally to our sales team.
Yeah, before that, I like to just add to what Aman had told. We are always open to experiment. We are always exploring ideas. So we are trying to control the physical world using cyber means. So AI is just one of the means which are enabling us. We are trying to make sure that we adopt anything which can bring value to the organization. So that's the most important principle that we are looking for here. And when you ask about productivity, so what has happened that people can work from anywhere in the office. They can be sitting in canteen. So you would have seen in the office that there are multiple sort of areas. So different type of sittings. We have amphitheater, we have high seating, we have standing desks, we have sofa, we have this where we are sitting at different informal collaborative kind. So people are not bound to work from their desk because it's difficult to sit at a stretch at the desk for more than 30 minutes. So one, you get ease of sitting, ease of working from here. So what we have seen, our productivity has gone multiple notches. So people have flexibility of timings. So based on the traffic conditions, or so people can come anytime in the office. Normally we have seen people who come at 8, there are people who come at 11. So it's very open, very flexible, and open from the perspective, as Aman has told, is non-hierarchical. So this office is minimalistic, means it's PN-less, it's wireless, it's paperless, it's fixed seat-less. So whatever less we can think of, it's just less. It's, I would say, no rule-less also, in the sense that you can make your own rules for working. So that's why productivity means we have honestly not been judging people by the productivity which they give, but there are tasks which are assigned and then they take their time, which was the case earlier also. But what we have seen, that people deliver before time in most of the cases. So in short, productivity is growing significantly.
We are joined by Sunil Ratori, who has been part of this workspace for a very long time. Sunil, please help us understand, how does it feel like to work in this future of workspace as compared to the traditional office?
Well, the very first thing is that this office is very cool. We have a flexibility of having a various sections. For example, that we are having a phone booth, that whenever we want to talk to anyone alone, then we have a phone booth here. We have a different sections where conference rooms are available to interact with the people over the video conferences. The aesthetic is very cool. It gives us a every day when I come to office, I feel more energized, having this very good atmosphere while working 8 to 10 odd hours sitting in one desk. We get tired at a time, so we have a flexibility to working with the different desks, standing desk and all that. So that gives and keeps us more energized compared to the previous environment that which we are having.
We have with us Mr. Pawan Kumar, who is the Chief Manager, will help us understand, has this innovative tech-driven office helped improve productivity for them and their team?
Yeah, thanks for this question. This especially this the new tech center. Definitely, this is a demand for a long pending demand from us side, because the space constraint in our older office is one of the big challenge for delivering a lot of projects, because a lot of projects are going on, especially on the digital era sides. Now the team is expanding, especially not the ERP area but also the digital tech areas and digital science and analytics centers. So earlier we have the space constraints, so doing the meetings with the external stakeholders and our internal and the plants and other stakeholders, it is a quite discomfort at that time, because we have to collaborate with the different team at the same time. But due to the space constraint, earlier we have only single office, now we have the multiple 5-6 meeting rooms are there, where we can efficiently do the meeting with the stakeholders, internal, external, and even we can deliver our projects within the stipulated timelines. So definitely this open office culture and new tech office definitely going to give a big change to us and definitely improve our efficiency in terms of the IT sides.
As we conclude our tour of the JK Tyre's Future of Workspace Hub, it's clear that this isn't just a redesigned office, but a statement of intent. By embedding emerging technologies and AI into its workspace, this company is signaling a shift from manufacturing legacy to future-ready innovation.